Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm gonna walk you through how to download Tubi app on a device. So to know what is Tubi app and why it is used for, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. To know what is Tubi, Tubi is an on-demand movies and TV shows, original and live TV streaming channels without you having to shell out for a monthly subscription. So to download this app and explore this feature, you need to watch this video. First thing, you need to go to your app store, or if you are an Android user, you can simply go to your Play Store and download the app. So I would like to go to my app store, and after clicking on the app store, this is the very first homepage of this app. So as we can see, this is the very first homepage of this app, and there are the various options below this, and from all of the above we need to click on the option search, which is at the very bottom right. And after clicking on the option search, you need to search the respective app, that is Tubi. So there you can see the app Tubi in purplish or an yellowish color. So this app is very useful and very entertaining app. So to get this app, you need to click on the option get, and also you need to verify yourself to install this app on a device, and you need to simply double click on this, and now you have been verified to this app, and this app will be installed or downloaded on a device within a few seconds or a few minutes. So this is how you can download the app and explore the feature of this app. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.